Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic PostgreSQL. So let's get started. What is the default port number for a standard PostgreSQL installation? The correct answer is option B, 5432. Which command line utility is used to interact with PostgreSQL databases via a terminal? The correct answer is option C, psql. In PostgreSQL, what is the primary difference between the JSON and JSON data types? The correct answer is option A. JSON stores data in a decomposed binary format, allowing for faster processing and indexing. Which of the following commands is used to list all databases in the psql interface? The correct answer is option C, \l. PostgreSQL uses MVCC to handle concurrent access. What does MVCC stand for? The correct answer is option A, multi-version concurrency control. Which keyword is used in PostgreSQL to handle Upsert operations, update or insert? The correct answer is option B, onConflict. What is the purpose of the vacuum command in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, to reclaim storage occupied by dead tuples and update statistics. Which PostgreSQL index type is best suited for full-text search and array data? The correct answer is option C, GIN. Which data type is traditionally used in PostgreSQL to create an auto-incrementing integer primary key? The correct answer is option A, serial. How do you start a transaction block in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option D, both A and B. Which system table stores information about all tables in a PostgreSQL database? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. What does the explain command do in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. It shows the execution plan that the PostgreSQL planner generates for a statement. In PostgreSQL, what is toast? The correct answer is option A mechanism to store large column values in secondary tables. Which of the following is not a valid procedural language supported by PostgreSQL out of the box or via extensions? The correct answer is option C, pl/swift. Which command is used to physically move data from a file into a PostgreSQL table? The correct answer is option C, copy. What is the result of the expression, select 10 : integer plus 5? The correct answer is option A, 15. Which constraint ensures that a column cannot have duplicate values? The correct answer is option C, unique. In PostgreSQL, what does the distinct on clause do? The correct answer is option B. It keeps only the first row of each set of rows where the given expressions evaluate to equal. What is a materialized view in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. A view whose results are stored physically on disk. Which configuration file is used to manage client authentication in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, pg_hba.conf. What is the purpose of the write-ahead log WL? The correct answer is option B, to ensure data integrity by recording changes before they are written to data files. Which PostgreSQL feature allows you to access data stored in an external database as if it were a local table? The correct answer is option B, Foreign Data Wrappers, FDW. What is the default isolation level in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, read committed. Which operator is used for pattern matching using regular expressions in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. How do you add a column to an existing table in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. Alter table underscore name, add column underscore name data underscore type. Which of the following is a geometric data type in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Which aggregate function is used to concatenate strings from multiple rows in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, string underscore hg. What is a say point used for in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, to mark a point within a transaction to which you can later roll back. Which command is used to create a new user/role in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C, create role. In a window function, which clause defines the partition of rows to which the function is applied? The correct answer is option C, partition by. Thank you for watching.